In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly add services to maximize your Google business profile. This is an essential skill for business owners looking to enhance their online presence and ensure that potential customers can easily find and understand the range of services offered. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to google.com/business. This is the central hub for managing your business's presence on Google. Once you arrive at the site, look for the sign in option at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log in using your Gmail account or the email associated with your business. This step is crucial to access and modify your business details. For users already logged into Google, you'll be directed straight to your business page. If this is your case, that's great, you're already a step ahead. However, if you aren't automatically redirected, you can simply use Google search to find your page. Type your business name or My Business into the search bar and you should see your profile in the results. Once on your Google Business Profile dashboard, look for the option to edit services. This is typically found on the dashboard interface. Clicking here will bring up a new window displaying your primary service, the one you initially provided when setting up your profile. This is where we'll start making enhancements. Below your primary service, you will see a button labeled Add Custom Service. Click this to start adding new offerings. This step is particularly helpful if you have expanded your range of services and want your potential customers to know all the wonderful things you can do for them. In the text box that appears, type in the new service you are offering. Be specific and clear. Potential customers should easily understand what you're providing. When you're satisfied with your list of services, go ahead and click on Save. This ensures that your changes are recorded and submitted for review. After saving, you'll notice a message at the top of the screen indicating that your edit is pending review. Typically this process takes up to 1 day, so be patient. Once your changes are approved, they'll be visible to everyone, enhancing your profile's attractiveness and usefulness to clients. Lastly, if you want to add even more services, simply click on the Add More Services button. This way you can continually update and optimize your profile as your business evolves. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can make sure your Google Business Profile truly reflects the full spectrum of services your business offers. It's a straightforward process, but one that can significantly impact your visibility and appeal to potential customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to make these adjustments to keep your profile up to date and engaging.